high and low.
I think I found some. Is it back here, Dad?
You found something.
Look what I
Wow.
found.
You want me to put it in the kitchen?
Yep.
You want to look inside it at all, or
I'll look inside.
you want to set it down?
I'll sit it down the cube. So you can see if it looks in here.
Yeah.
Will you open this? Or Dad can? It's hard to open. But look.
It's a sticker and a piece of candy.
What is color?
Open.
Blue.
No. Oh yeah, it is. No.
It's kind of so much blue.
Emmett.
Yeah,
Here's your age.
I
Emmett, open.
found a big chocolate rabbit.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. And
Well, it looks like there's a lot of stuff in here.
and let me go find some more. I think I might find. I think I see one. I saw another. I think I found another.
Oh, another basket. Okay.
It was on the door of the hook. Yeah.
Wow.
Based
Yeah,
on-
look up there.
Oh, there's one. Well, based on the Easter baskets that we left out for the Easter Bunny to fill, I believe that there are 2 more Easter baskets that you haven't found yet.
I know, but I have found